Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how you can use sound equalizer of your Sennheiser headphones. To do this, just select the equalizer from the settings, and first we've got some presets. When you click right here, let's do this one more time. That's the currently preset that is set up, but when you click on this icon, we can find other presets. If you want to restore all presets, just click right here, click yes. As you can see, they still appears because it was about removing the custom presets. And if you want to switch the presets, all you have to do is just to click like that and it will switch. You can also turn on the podcast special equalizer to get the speech clarity, but you can also adjust the presets like you want with these three sliders. Then you have to click save, and right now this pop preset will stay with the custom preset. When you go back to this pop, as you can see, it stays like we set it up. You can also create your own by tapping right here. So yeah, that's all for this video. Hope you like it.